What's up, everyone? Sean here at WTC. Join me today for another ride along with Jason, and we'll get a little sneak peek of the behind the scenes work that he's got going on today.
My name is Jason Ballinger. I'm a combination technician. I've worked at WTC for 25 years. My day-to-day jobs include anything from residential installs to commercial installs. Our wires going out to our end devices are plugged into these patch panels. Down here are our two powered over Ethernet switches that feed power to our cameras, to our phones. Down here is a router board, which is the brains of our phone system and cameras. This bottom device is our NVR that all the recordings go back to for all the cameras. And that's about it.
And that's a wrap for the ride along with Jason. We'll catch you guys on the next one.